you are talking about cognitive ability. If you can make it explain it to in a more simple language, like what cognitive ability is, so the people who is not aware about that what is cognitive abilities, that would be really amazing.
So definitely, maybe I can derive in terms of job, professional journey, business journey, what exactly we need for business. So for example, when you start some business, we need ideas, we need a strategy, we need a system. System, definitely we can learn and develop. Ideas, where do we get? We need to generate a idea through your brain. We can ask ChatGPT, definitely, but based on your experience, you will be able to develop brilliant ideas. So how do you get it? Improve your cognitive ability. So there are various techniques for cognitive ability. So memory, learning process, thinking pattern, getting new ideas, all comes under cognitive ability. Earlier, we used to do a lot of things in our childhood.
Yes.
We think analytical skill, decision making, and also we generate a lot of ideas. How do you get a lot of ideas? When you feed right information, read more books, think right way, you will generate ideas. But nowadays we stop doing that. That is where people are struggling. They can work monotonous work, but when you generate an idea, they grow next level in their professional, even in business. They grow next level. That is where people stuck in their journey. And also other important thing here is there is something called use it or lose it. When you start using your cognitive ability, you'll be able to do much better. But sometime what happened, even senior citizen I noticed, they face a lot of issue in terms of memory loss, forgetfulness, Alzheimer. Why? It's age related, memory decline, age related. And also they stop using their cognitive ability. They stop learning, they stop energizing, and also they stop some of the rituals. What will happen? Same process, use it or lose it. When you use it, it will become much stronger. When you stop using, that is where people are facing a lot of issues. So age-related memory decline we cannot we cannot eliminate, but we can reduce.
Yes.
So that's what my observation.
Awesome. So you just said like they stopped following the rituals. Which rituals they stop following, if you have observed in your journey?
Oh, based on some of my learnings and also my own experience, let us take 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, or Think and Grow Rich. They have done a lot of research and interview with top celebrities. And what they are talking is very simple. They are talking about some of the morning rituals, evening rituals, discipline. For example, most of the top celebrity people, they wake up early morning, Brahma Muhurtam, and they sit and read book. They do meditation, they do affirmation, they do visualization, they think positive element, they generate a lot of new ideas. And throughout the day, when you do this in the morning, throughout the day, your energy becomes extraordinary. At evening, many people, they do gratitude, visualization. Otherwise, normal people, you know what they do? So before going to bed, they watch some reels, some horror stuff, maybe breaking news, and in their dreams, they will find same kind of stuff, horror. Then they feel what do you call? They feel uncomfortable. So these rituals help them to grow next level. Keep our mind, body, soul in that vibration.